Cleaning process for front-load washing machine. Required tools include washing machine detergent, plastic shell detergent, cleaning brush for rotary drum, short hair brush, rubber gloves, scouring pad, placemat. Step 1. Machine examination. Check if the washing machine can function properly. Confirm with the customer first if there is anything unusual. Step 2. Steaming and washing. Use the steam feature to steam and wash the seal ring of the rotary drum, the door, the drum and the box where washing powder is placed for 2 to 3 minutes. Remember to dismantle the powder box and steam the inside. Step 3. Detergent spraying. Use the plastic shell detergent to spray evenly on the seal ring, inside of the washing powder box, and the machine door. Let it stay there for about 5 minutes before wiping it out with scouring pad. Note: if the seal ring gets old, please avoid hard scrubbing, causing the damage. Step 4. Washing machine detergent soaking. Dissolve the detergent on 50-degree warm water in a proportion of 1 to 20. Once the detergent is diluted, then put it into the washing machine. Make sure the water won't spill over. Step 5. Cleaning. Put a scouring pad in the rotate drum and close the door. Switch to the rinsing mode and waiting for the cleaning to be finished. Then using a scouring pad to clean the inner side of the drum. Step 6. Drum brush cleaning. How to use the cleaning brush for rotary drum. Soak the chassis with detergent, then use the cleaning brush to clean it back and forth, starting from the edge of the seal ring, then reach into the outer side of the drum. Note: to remove the dirt from the inside wall of the drum, use the quick wash feature repeatedly for 1 or 2 times. Step 7. High temperature disinfection. Use the high temperature steam feature to disinfect the inner side of the drum. Step 8. Drainage port cleaning. Put a scouring pad on the bottom of the drainage port. Open the port, take out and clean the filter screen, then put it back again. Step 9. Outer shell cleaning. Use plastic shell detergent together with the scouring pad to clean the outer shell of the machine. Step 10. Machine checking. Check if the features function properly. Confirm with the customer. Analyze and deal with the problems in time if something went wrong. The cleaning process for front-load washing machine finished. Clean the working area.